Hello boys and girls, it's time for an EDC update. This will be my EDC for January. Let's start it with my phone. This is my Milestone 1. Sorry, the Droid. Milestone is the name for Argentina. So this is my phone, the Motorola Droid 1. Here I have my watch. This is a Casio. Oops. SGW 100. Then I have black unguarded paracord bracelet. This is new for me. This is a bandana. I carry this on one of my pockets, so I will see if it worked for me. Then I have my keys. Give me just 1 second. So I have my keys clipped to my belt on my pants with this Victorinox keeper. I have attached my Spyderco bag, right? And then these are my keys with the Victorinox, right? This is how it looks like. What else? Right here I have actually I carry in this pouch. This will goes in my belt on my right side. I have my Phoenix LD1. This is a great flashlight. It has 3 modes: high, low, low, medium, and high. Sorry. I love this Victorinox pouch because it has a special place for the flashlight. So my Phoenix goes there. I'm using my Victorinox. I think this is a Swiss champ, but I cannot remember exactly. This is very handy for my everyday use, right? Then I have my pepper spray, right, for self-defense. I'm rocking the Kershaw OD2. I love this knife. It's amazingly fast. Boom. Great. And the last item is my Maxpedition Spartan wallet. It's a great wallet. This is it's called Subecar. It's for the subway, right? Then I have my Victorinox Swiss Car Light right here. Behind I have a few band-aids. Here I have some spare cash. These are my credit card and debit card. I will put some pieces of paper in the long pocket for the case that I need to write something, or I don't know, draw something, whatever. Right here I have my ID. Here I have some receipts. This is from Starbucks. And some cash. So hope you enjoyed this video. I don't know. Nos vemos, gente. Bye bye.